up so high, even when I'm coming down. Just met a girl, say she funny.
We back. And I'm not wearing pink. What do you know about that? Not wearing pink. So I'm out of it. I'm gonna just keep it all the way 100 with y'all. This vlog y'all about to see, it's gonna be all over the place. I'm gonna just put stuff together. I haven't been vlogging like I'm supposed to be vlogging, but once I get my life more in tune with each other, all areas of it, y'all will have a more in sync vlog coming your way. I'm trying to work on like new things, bring y'all new like subject matters, and make it more interesting, but still being the 100% myself. And yeah, but I don't know about y'all, but the start of the year and getting back on track. I was down and out for a second, under the weather. Yeah, it's a lot to pull back together, but guess what? I'm still gonna come through with my vlogs because I made that promise to myself. And for those who actually watch my vlogs, thank you guys. I want to bring y'all something interesting each week and not just to do a vlog to say I did a vlog either. So the next scenes, I'm pretty sure I'm at Dollar Tree again. Looking for like Valentine's Day stuff and whatever else, and what else y'all may see. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for being patient, and more to come. So stick around and please continue watching. And if you need to catch up on them other vlogs, go and holler at them as well. And I'm pretty sure y'all saw that little thing pop over from over there to click on all that stuff. Click on all that stuff for your girl. Let's make this new year bigger and better, baby. Always and forever. Yeah, I'm rambling now. Yeah. Another Dollar Tree, guys. I'm addicted. Look, I found my scratch out stickers that I've been looking for. Y'all love Valentine's Day. Let's do a flower wall. What? But I'm just trying to hit up all the Dollar Trees just to see what they have left, I should say. Because y'all know they got Easter stuff already out. So let me shop. Easter. Oh, that's what the hell's talking about. Okay, y'all, I'm in Ross looking for syrup, like coffee syrup stuff. But you already know how I roll. Let's see what we find. So far, I didn't see any syrups in the area, but we're gonna hit up the DD's after this. What's up, guys? Yeah. So today was Kenya Maintenance Day, as you can see. So I'm about to take this mask off and finish up maintaining, preserving Kenya. Okay, next I'm about to try these gloves that I showed in my last vlog that I got at Dollar Tree, y'all. So let's see what these do. Okay, this is how it looks just coming out the package. Haven't unfolded it yet or what have you. So now I'm gonna put them on. It's not slippery or anything on the outside. So I'm thankful for that because I didn't know. Okay, y'all, they are attached. So you gotta rip it off or whatever. That's kind of strange. Ugh. I hope I don't tear it. Okay, this how they look on the hand. So basically, it's just plastic, as y'all already know, with lotion probably squirted in it. I I don't know what this part is for, and it got a sticker that says open. I have not a clue, guys, what that means. And y'all see it's still on there. I don't know. It don't make no sense to me. So, and you already know I didn't read no instructions. So I'm going to try to read the instructions maybe the next time and whatever. So once they come off, then I'll let y'all know how I rate them. Turn off. Okay, y'all, I took the glove out, and this is how it look. I haven't wiped it. I mean, haven't, wiped it into my skin yet. But, I mean, it's just lotion. I really didn't know what I was expecting. It feels good, you know. It feels hydrated. Would I buy it again? Probably not. I just use what I have. The ones that I have purchased, but I probably wouldn't buy again. But it do. I mean, the shine is shining. So I don't know, guys. So that's the quick little review, and that's how it looks on the inside or whatever. And it don't smell too bad either. It's not like a heavy scent, if y'all was wondering that. Quick haul, y'all. First up, what I got from Dollar Tree, y'all. What's up? What's up? I'm more disorganized. I bought some scratch off stickers. I'm so glad they brought these back because I wanted more of these. These are so cute. I got the large size and if I can open it, and the smaller ones. Y'all, these are so freaking cute. You can do all kind of stuff with it. Make like cute little lottery tickets or whatever. But scratch off Valentine's or anytime hearts. Okay, and I got these hooks so I can put them on my wall tree. And of course, I want to show you guys when I actually do it. But I've been looking for some replacement hooks. And Dollar Tree is not where I thought I was going to find them. But they metal hooks. And it comes with the screws and everything, y'all. I got this cleansing facial scrub thing, which I was actually looking for a brush, did not find one. So we're going to see what this do. I got this eye cream. Yeah, I'm into like beauty maintenance or whatever. I think it's cute, but I hope these products actually work. But we're going to see what this do as well. This skin cream. Yup. And this little contraption for puffiness under your eyes. Yeah, I just like trying new stuff. Pray to God that it do not break my face out. And since I don't wear makeup, y'all, I be thinking, I don't like makeup because makeup make me hot. But I think it's fun to watch girls put on makeup. So this is my makeup experience minus the makeup. And I thought this was kind of interesting. I don't think I could read it. It's Rose facial oil. Rose. Yeah. So I've never seen this before. So, hey, I was like, shoot, $1.25. Hey, I could try it, see what it's talking about. But of course, I thought the packaging was super freaking cute. But I know y'all can't see it. I'm trying to put my hand over it. That ain't working. Oh my God. But it say, I'm gonna try to take a picture maybe. And then I got this body butter. Y'all, so far, I love this body butter. If I see it again, I'm going to buy all that I see. It is very thick. And the smell ain't the best, but it ain't the worst. So I like the consistency. It's a real thick butter. Let me show you guys. See how thick it is? It's not one of those drippy Dollar Tree butters by any means. This sucker is thick and it makes your hand and your skin feel so freaking amazing. And yeah, I will be rebuying this for sure. And this is what I got from Ross. Y'all got this cute sweater. I think it's so freaking cute. It says Ski Patrol in Colorado. Y'all, it feels so soft, like a nice little comfortable blanket. A cozy blanket. I love it, guys. And it was only $4.99. Come on now. Y'all know I had to get that. And I also found those syrups I was looking for to add to my protein drinks. Y'all, I will not be buying this again. As you see, I already tried it. It was how much was this? $4.49. But I tried this brand before and I didn't like it, but I thought this flavor may be different and it is not. So yeah. And I also got this to try. I haven't tried this one yet. I'm gonna try it, matter of fact, after I finish this video. But I'm hoping this tastes better. And I'm gonna add this to my coffee. And this was $4.99. So yeah. So we're gonna see. But that's all I got from Ross, y'all. Yeah, before I pour it in my glass, I want to taste it. This is just for me before y'all get all like, ugh. I'm tasting it. I need some more. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. So far, it's a no for me. It ain't the worst, but I will not be rebuying any of those things. Maybe if I put some ice cubes in it. It's just I don't like the aftertaste of it at all. I won't drink it though. Cheers.